Konnichiwa minasan. My name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake.
So for today's video, it will not be an unboxing because I had already unboxed these products. Today's video, we will do a review of these products from Switchbot. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. Me and my wife bought this with our own money. For today, we will be reviewing each product and what does it do. Is it worth it? What are the pros and the cons of each product? So without any further ado, let's start the review. The price of this product here in Japan, around 3,558 yen. More or less like that. Depends on if there are some sale or coupons that you will put. So we bought this in Amazon. I will put the link below for the Amazon link and for the link to Switchbot's website. So the design of the Switchbot device itself is a small square device and it is powered by a micro USB. The only con regarding the power supply of this device is that it has no power brick included. So you only have the micro USB cord and the device itself, the mini hub itself. So it has also a light indicator in which you can turn off using the app. It has also the very good capability. This is the capability that I really like with this device. You can enroll any kind of remote to this device. And then the other capability of this device is that it makes other Switchbot product connect to the internet or to your assistant. So it connects to your other Switchbot devices via Bluetooth, in which it saves battery. So Bluetooth consumes lesser power than Wi-Fi. Actually, the other Switchbot devices like the Switchbot Bot, it is battery powered. Only consumes a little amount of power, will work longer.
So this is the Switchbot mini hub. So it is very clean to look at. The build quality is plasticky, but it doesn't feel cheap. So as what I have said earlier, it has a light indicator in which you can turn it on or off using the Switchbot app. And then there is the reset button and there is the branding label of Switchbot. At the back, you can put a double-sided tape here if you want to mount it on the wall, or you can use it via hook. So this is the power cord that is included with it. It is a micro USB. So I have already installed it here. So it matches the aesthetics of the location where I put it. So it's beside my first gen Google Home. I will now demonstrate the power of the Switchbot Hub Mini. So as you can see, that is my AC and my TV. First, let's try the AC. Hey, turn on aircon.
Okay, changing aircon to cool.
So as you can see, it's already turned on. Also, I have also the power to change the temperature. Set aircon's temperature to 18 degrees.
Sure, setting aircon to 18 degrees.
It turned a regular air conditioning unit to a smart one. I can control it via my voice. So I can turn up, down, fan speed. Anything you can do on the remote, you can use it via your voice. So you can also use the app to control the AC. So let's try it on the TV. So hey, turn on TV.
Got it. Turning two things on.
Okay, you can see the TV is turning on. I can also turn the channel. The Chromecast is loading right now. I can change it to, hey, change channel to 1.
Alright, playing 1 on TV.
So as you can see, Sumo is on right now. Let's change to another channel. Google, change TV channel to 5.
Alright, playing 5 on TV.
So it's on the news. Hey, turn TV volume up. So as you can see, it turned the TV volume up. So it has plenty of power, that little device. We can control regular TVs. So this TV is not really a smart TV. I only added a Chromecast to it. But Chromecast cannot change channels, turn volume up and down. So Chromecast cannot turn the volume up and down, mute the TV on regular television channels. So it really adds a great function to your regular appliances. So the third appliance that I enrolled on my Switchbot app is this one. This is a Robo Vacuum. So the Robo Vacuum itself, it is already a smart vacuum, already connected with our Google Home ecosystem here in our house. But you can only turn it on and off. It's on default, so I put it on the automatic. So the default mode is on automatic, but with the help of Switchbot Hub, I can change to any modes that it has. It has a spot cleaning mode, wall mode. I can control the speed of the vacuum intake. So I will not anymore demonstrate it because it will take much time. So the Switchbot Hub Mini turned our already smart Robo Vacuum into a smarter one. So a very good thumbs up. I really recommend the Switchbot Mini Hub. So this is a very powerful device when you know how to use it. And the only con that I can see or I can tell of this device is that if you have a very large house, you can only place it on the location or a room of which you want to control the appliances. Like for example, our living room, I can only install it there because it only talks to those appliances via infrared. Infrared doesn't penetrate into multiple layers of walls. So if you have a big house, you need to buy more Switchbot Hub Mini to other rooms so that you can control other appliances. And also, you cannot place it too far from your other Switchbot products. Yeah, so that's the only con that I can see, and the pros outweighs those cons. So it is not expensive, it is very cost efficient, and it is very flexible to any remote that you enrolled it. I really highly recommend this product to those, especially those who are living in apartments like us. Here in Japan, you cannot change the outlets or any other electrical components in your apartment, even I think on the other countries. So this is the best way, a bang for your buck device. So next, I will be reviewing the Switchbot Bot. This device is a button or switch presser. So it is a small square robot device in which you can put on switches, buttons, or any device that has a on-off switch or any button that you want to be pressed automatically. So our Switchbot Bot, we placed it in our switch for our bedroom. So it has different modes. It can do a switch, it can do a button. Your imagination is the limit on how you can use this one. But for us, we used it as a switch presser inside our bedroom. So I will be taking you to where I had put the Switchbot. Let's go.
So this is the Switchbot Bot device. So by the way, this is battery operated. It lasts very long. As on the website of Switchbot claims, it lasts around 600 attenuations clicks. So I will not test that because it's too long and we need it to work here inside our bedroom. So this is the look of it on the side. To me, it's not that obvious. It blends with the switch, but yeah, I wish that it's much thinner. A double-sided tape, a 3M double-sided tape is already included, a spare one also, and this one makes the robot do the switches. So it's a nylon and then a tape. So I'll demonstrate the robot in action. So turn off bedroom switch.
Alright, turn the bedroom switch off.
So as you can see, so turn on bedroom switch.
So that's it. It made a regular switch to a smart switch.
So the only con that I can see with the Switchbot Bot is that you need the Switchbot hub. So by the way, I forgot to tell you how much is this. So the price of this Switchbot Bot is the same with the Switchbot hub. So it's 3,558 yen. So I'll put the link below on the Amazon link. So that's it. So that was my review on the Switchbot Hub Mini and the Switchbot Bot. So these devices are very smart and I really recommend it, especially for those who want to dig deeper into smart home automation. Switchbot is expanding its environment, so it has other devices like a humidifier, curtain, Switchbot curtain, hydrometer, sensors, cameras. Hopefully, I can review those devices from Switchbot and incorporate it in our smart home. So hope you enjoyed, and if you have other questions regarding these products, comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button, that red one. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have other topics or questions, just comment it. And yeah, I think that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.